In our top story this morning, in Kenya, where the Supreme Court is expected to deliver its judgment on the challenge to the outcome of last month's hotly contested presidential poll today. The Electoral Commission had declared Deputy President William Ruto winner by 7.1 million votes, but his rival, veteran politician Raila Odinga, who came second with 6.9 million votes, disputed the results. Security has been beefed up as the country awaits the court's verdict, as roads lead to the court have been closed while many schools will send pupils home early today.
The Supreme Court have made history 5 years ago when it annulled the outcome of the poll, citing procedural irregularities and illegalities. This time, Mr. Odinga wants it to overturn the result and either declare him winner or order a rerun, accusing his rival of hacking the electoral body systems and deducting some of his votes. But the claims have been denied by the Commission and Mr. Ruto.
First of all, I think it's quite exciting to see that the matter didn't take this long. It didn't take as long as we would have expected it to be deliberated. I mean, it was taken to the Supreme Court and now the result is out today. But there's also mixed feelings on this end. Nerves, because we're thinking, okay, what if the result comes out in a way, or the verdict is something that's not accepted by the people? Will they really be bound by the verdict of the Supreme Court, just as they had said that they would be? We hope that is not another 2017 situation, and this does not in any way result in violence.
Yeah, so, I mean, first of all, I think there's kudos to Raila Odinga for at least approaching the court, and seeing if he can get redress in court. And it's also kudos to Kenyans for being able to keep themselves together and keep calm all through, this period. Yes, there's discussions about, heightened security, based on whatever the results would be. But I think from the way it looks, it doesn't feel like there would be any. I mean, there's nothing more that can be done if the courts declare one way or the other. Everyone's going to have to accept it that way. So I am, mostly happy that Kenyans have remained calm and are looking forward to what the courts eventually say. If Raila Odinga does have, or his legal team do have, a strong case that he was cheated, then let's hope that the courts can prove that, or the courts say that. If their case isn't strong enough, then he's going to have to let it go. And of course, like he was described, veteran politician, because he's been there for quite a while. He's been prime minister, I believe. He's also contested numerous times, and of course, it's very interesting seeing how it's turning out. You remember just before the elections, I had said that it looked a little funny, seeing that the person that he contested against in the previous election was the one who now pulling him to replace him in their party, and then the deputy president of Uhuru Kenyatta, of course, now became opposition. So it's very interesting, and I also would like to see what the outcome would be, and see if William Ruto's seeming young population of voters, were able to give him the victory, and see maybe if that's where Africa is going. Because I would like to see, that the young ones in Africa, we saw it in Angola also. For the first time, there was a serious battle for electoral victory that they hadn't seen in Angola in a really, really long time. So let's see how it goes. And of course, Nigeria is coming up next year.
Absolutely. We certainly would like to urge our Kenyan brothers and sisters to please maintain the peace as they have so far, especially with regards to the results coming out today. We hope that everyone will accept the results of the Supreme Court, at the verdict of the Supreme Court, as a judge. The court is the final arbiter in matters such as this. Absolutely. And then, a lot of stability and a lot of moving forward can come after that. There's a lot that cannot proceed. They can't go on, with their economy and policy making until this matter is sorted out. So yeah, it will be a great move for the people of Kenya, and progress in that regard.
Well, congratulations to the winner. And of course, we will be here to share with you what the courts say sometime.
We're certainly talking about it tomorrow.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
All right.